Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral AI vlog with Veo 3. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, I'm going to use Veo 3 on Gemini. So first of all, you can visit gemini.google.com, and if you want to use Veo 3 guys, we need to subscribe to Google One. But don't worry, because we can get 1 month free trial. So you can sign into the Google One and then you can subscribe to it and you will get free trial for 1 month. Okay, and after you get the Gemini Pro or the Google One Pro, you can use Veo. You can click on this plus icon. You can click on this tools icon and select videos with Veo. And then you're going to add a photo here as a reference, but you can skip this one. And then you can describe the video that you want to create. And since you want to create viral vlogs, so you can make a prompt like this. And then you can click on submit. And the AI will generate a video for us. Wait, it's still loading. Now the AI is generating video for me. Okay, and now my video is ready. This is how the video looks like. And then you can click on download video if you want to save the video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.